Have mercy on me, O God, according to your love. Erase my sins through your mercy above. Wash me from evil, purify my soul. For I confess my wrongs, Lord, you make me whole. Create in me a pure heart, O Lord. Renew a steadfast spirit within me. Do not cast me away from your presence, and take not your Holy Spirit from me. Against you only have I sinned, my God. Before your eyes I've done what's flawed, but your justice stands forever true, and every judgment comes from you. You desire truth deep in the heart. You teach me wisdom from the start. Cleanse me and I'll be whiter than snow. Restore the joy that once did flow. Create in me a pure heart, O Lord. Renew a steadfast spirit within me. Do not cast me away from your presence, and take not your Holy Spirit from me. Lord, open my lips to praise your name. My heart will sing and lift your flame. You take no pleasure in empty sacrifice, but a broken heart you will not despise. Restore Zion with your grace. Rebuild her walls, renew her place. That hearts made pure will sing to you, and your people will live in truth. Mm.